Hello. So if you open up the patch AVC bells, you should see something like this. Okay, don't be alarmed. It's the first thing. We're going to take this one step at a time. So if you remember, stage one, we have our kind of boilerplate visuals. So we have a toggle box attached to a Q metro. This one's going pretty fast, so an interval of just 5 milliseconds. Not essential, but good for accuracy. If we're creating sound events, we've got our T, B arrays going to our jit.gl render, physics.gl. That's what I've called the context here, and then we've got a jit.window to display our visuals. So let's turn on that and have a look at it. Okay. Don't be put off by this. It'll become clear what this is. Okay, I can make the window a little bit bigger if I want to, like so. Okay, the next thing is we're going to view our physics world. We've got this jit.gl phys draw here. We're going to turn that on, and that's going to draw the physics lines. Okay. This button here lets us interact with physical objects using the mouse, so that'll be handy. So let's turn that on. Okay. Now, we can't really see anything that's going on at the moment, so what we're going to do, go to number 4, is we're going to zoom out. Okay, now remember when we've got 3 values, it's often X for width, Y, which is height, and Z for proximity, in and out, yeah, forward and back. So what we're going to do is use this to zoom out, and look at this, we can suddenly see something. We can see our physics world. So this object here makes our world, okay, and this sets how big it is. So we've got a 5 by 5 by 5 X, Y, and Z size for our physics world. Okay, so that's our basic kind of setup, really. We have, I'll show you about what all this is in a minute, but this is our physical world. This is the boundaries of it, so we can't go outside of here. Okay, so we've got the sides, the back, top, bottom. Okay, and we can adjust that if we want. We can make that slightly wider. Okay, so that's the basic setup.